Tell me wrong. Why does she only walk halfway through? Why doesn't she go all the way to the end?
Could it be to save on production costs? Maybe that's something you haven't noticed, that all long-term videos usually contain this technique. And it's not something that a coincidence or random. Well, seems like that, but when the character is about to reach the edge of the screen, the scene suddenly changes. But in the next scene, that character is placed exactly where they left off in the previous one.
Stop talking!
It turns out this is one of the most basic yet important techniques for long-duration videos. You can eat the whole rice because it's tasty, right? So you can enjoy the long-form video because it's...
Easy.
It's what?
Long videos more often use that technique, a technique called continuity, which has the ability to influence your subconscious.
Yeah, continuity is a basic technique used in long-form videos. The reason is that long videos require your consistency as a viewer to stay focused and not feel exhausted while watching the show. Aside from pacing, blocking, and transitions, continuity helps maintain your mental flow, so you can stay comfortable throughout the long duration.
So, as you can see from the video pattern so far, I think I don't need to explain what continuity is, because you can Google that yourself.
But when you read the explanation, some people might have a hard time imagining it. So I'll show you a unique example of continuity from this anime, to make sure you understand it precisely. As you can see here, when Shinon appears and approaches Mako, she's actually positioned at the center of the frame. But in the next scene, Mako is also shown in the center of the frame, even though in terms of continuity, it would have been fine for her to appear on the right side. Well, it's just to follow her previous position. But when this wide shot scene appears, you need to know about this unique script. There's something interesting that keeps the continuity connected into the next scene. So, in this silent moment, your focus is suddenly drawn to something that appears and moves on the left frame. This is an interesting technique that anime directors often use to keep the continuity flowing smoothly within a scene. So, what's the conclusion about this video? The conclusion is that dynamic changes create a dynamic flow. And that's what makes something engaging.
And that's what makes something feels enjoyable and interesting to watch. Also, the continuity makes the past and the future remain connected as part of one complete story.
So, if you find it helpful, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next videos.